Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's on a lot of people's minds. Is it safe to invest in these uncertain times? Let's face it, the headlines can be brutal. Market crashes, economic downturns, global pandemics. It's enough to make anybody hesitant to invest their hard-earned money. But here's the thing, history tells a different story. Think about the last 30 years. We've witnessed the dot-com bubble burst, the Great Recession, global conflicts, and even a recent pandemic. Each of these events created a period of intense market volatility, those big peaks and valleys we see in the news. But here's the key takeaway. Despite it all, the markets have consistently trended upwards. Yes, there have been some bumps along the way, some significant, but the overall trajectory is positive. Why? Because the stock market reflects the growth of real companies solving real problems and creating value over time. So what does this mean for you? Here's the harsh truth. Sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect time to invest can be a costly mistake. It's pretty much impossible to predict market peaks and valleys. In fact, missing just a few of the best performing days in the market can significantly impact your long-term returns. Prudent investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth for the future, one smart step at a time. Think about your goals, retirement, a child's education, or giving the next generation a leg up. Investing allows you to harness the power of compound interest, where your money grows on itself over time. It's all about time in the market, not timing the market. Think of the market as a long-distance race, not a sprint. The longer you're invested, the more likely you are to weather the short-term storms and to benefit from the long-term growth. A good financial advisor can help you to get started and to keep on track through all the scary times. Reach out to us if we can help. So don't let fear hold you back. The market can be scary sometimes, but it's also a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. Leave a comment below with your biggest fear about investing. Let's talk about it in the community. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more on investment management and retirement planning. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.